Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Hadin banakaliang kinongelam ka Sinjuk kirang basnong ka Ribhoy district hinnin kasni ka khadway tarik unailor arhajar arpuway kalami shakhmat ban penpaw ya ka jing kersan ya ka jing dawa ka sur kinong maulai na ka sarkar ban wengkam shipor ki he pulit ki baladong kti ha ka ban setyap yu ba che ban penyo ya ka jing bishar ka bohok yu ba che Meghalaya Indigenous People Front lane ke MIPF Ribhoy District Unit lingba working president uba Wanshai Mali kalami shakhmat ban ai ka jingkersan lang ya ka Sinjuk kirang basnong ka dong Ribhoy dagaba uba Mali habakran shakilat pathai khubor uloong ban nakaliang kaseng ka kersan bat snok tilang ber ka Sinjuk kirang basnong ka dong Ribhoy na ka benta ki jingdawa na ka sarkar habayadei ba ka benta ka jingsha sediap jong ba Chesterfield. Thank you.
Ngaku working president jongka Meghalaya Indigenous People Front MIPF Ribhoy District. Ngila syong ilang kerki asnong nongjeri. But hagreng meeting ngila rai bangin syemya gawe garai bangin ai kijing kersan ka Pupura ya ka Sinjuk kidor barsnong jongka Ribhoy District. Kibule mi sekmat ban kentu ya ka sarkar ban suspon ya kinagi pulit kibala don kti bersiap yap ba Chesterfield. Thank you. Kata ya angut ke Superintendent of Police jong bat kumjuk ro ya Director General of Police jong ka Meghalaya kumta ngi nagaliang jong kaseng ngila shim ya kawe garai ba nginias no kti lada ke Sinjuk jong gidor barsnong jong ka Ribhoy District kin yami pa ba hakanong nagupor ba lada ka sarkar kampung singam bat kampung singaw ya ke jingdawa ban suspon no ya kiteki pulit ki bladon kti ban siap yap ya ba Chesterfield. Thank you. Ibadai X juga HNLC. Ini nagaliang keseng, ini ai ka kubor cepi bagi kloi benyami akan no kubor na bata ka bahaga miat jong upai ka bri jong hniu trap. Bar akan kubor na ai kubleiru yang para membar ki blai kloi ban yadon bata akan kubor bagi lalak ban pendep yang nekam kublei sibun.
Ngala job bun ki jungi khun nre yo covid ndai Maya kun da katika ay ketika covid kendai kanong yukun persya kane kaklam